Welcome to my channel. The topic of today's video is displacement of uterus or displacement of the pelvic organs. Uterus is not a fixed organ, and minor variations in the position of a position in any direction occurs with the change in a posture. When we change our posture, sitting patterns, and with the straining, with the full bladder and with the loaded rectum. Displacement, what does this mean? The displacement only when the uterus rests in a habitually in the position and beyond the limit of the normal variation should be called as an displacement. मीन्स अगर जो यूट्रस का मतलब एंटी वर्टेड एंटी फ्लेक्स पोजीशन में जिस तरह से यूट्रस रहता है नॉर्मली हैबिचुअल पोजीशन जो उसकी है, अगर वो उससे उसके अलावा किसी और पोजीशन में लाई कर रहा है हमारी बॉडी में, सो हम उसको बोलेंगे कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द यूट्रस हुआ है. अब यहाँ पे दो तरह की चीज़ें होती है. एक होता है कि नॉर्मल पोजीशन जो होती है वो कैसे होती है, तो एंटी वर्टेड एंटी फ्लेक्स होता है, और जब डिस्प्लेसमेंट होता है तो रेट्रोफ्लेक्स और रेट्रोवर्टेड होता है. डिग्रीज 3 होती हैं, फर्स्ट डिग्री, सेकंड डिग्री एंड थर्ड डिग्री. फर्स्ट डिग्री के अंदर जो फंडस होता है, फंडस इज़ द टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ यूटेरस. सो फंडस इज़ वर्टिकल and pointed towards the sacral promontory. In the second degree, the fundus lies in a sacral hollow, but not below the internal os. मीन्स फंडस जो है वो बॉडी मतलब जो हमारा इंटरनल ऑस है उसके ऊपर ही रहेगा, उसके नीचे नहीं आएगा. और थर्ड डिग्री के अंदर क्या होगा कि वहाँ पे फंडस लाइज बिलो द लेवल ऑफ द इंटरनल ऑस, मतलब वो पूरी तरह से बाहर आया हुआ होगा, इंटरनल ऑस के वो बाहर निकला हुआ होगा. Causes are developmental causes and acquired causes. Developmental causes are the by birth. The congenital causes the developmental defect, lack of the tone of the muscle of uterine muscles, short vagina and a hollow anterior vaginal fornix. Acquired causes are the after birth the causes that plays role in development of uterus. The first thing is the purpural stretching of the stretch ligament caused due to childbirth fails to keep the uterus in a normal position, or multiple birth which causes the stretching of the ligament. Second thing is the subinvoluted bulky uterus is aggravates the condition. Second thing is the first is the purpural, second is the prolapse. Retroverted uterus is the cause for the prolapse, and the mechanical cause of the prolapse is caused by the traction following the cystocele. What is cystocele? We will find out it in the later videos. So what the third thing is a tumor, fibroid either in a anterior wall or a posterior wall, produces the heaviness of the uterus and hence the uterus falls behind. Pelvic adhesions may be either due to inflammation or operation, or due to the pelvic endometriosis pulls the uterus posteriorly. How much the incidence are of the retroverted uterus are the 15 to 20% of the normal women's in a normal women's. So the symptoms and the signs are the chronic premenstrual pelvic pain will be there, backache is there, and the dyspareunia. In the signs, the bimanual examination, we will find that the cervix is the upward and the forward. The body of the uterus felt through the posterior fornix, and in the rectal examination we will confirm the diagnosis that it is a retroverted uterus and due to prolapse or any other reason. And the speculum examination we will find that cervix is pointed forward. In a pregnancy, if the pregnancy happens in a retroverted uterus, it will be corrected, or the spontaneous correction usually occurs within the 12 to 14 weeks. Treatment for the correction of the retroverted uterus is a parasy or the surgical. In a parasy, first thing is we do the parasy test, then the subinvoluted uterus for the subinvoluted uterus. The third thing is in the cases where symptoms are improved by the use of parasy, and the last thing is in the cases in the pregnancy where the spontaneous correction to anteverted uterus is failed by the 12th week. If the spontaneous correction of the uterus in a pregnancy is not corrected within the 12 to 14 weeks, then the parasy is to be the treatment method. And the surgical method is a su- suspension of the uterus. Ventero